Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode of Minor Mods with Wolfman Walsh. Tonight, we have the Lakota Mod. Still one of my all-time favorite mods that we've done. Still one of my almost everyday carry knives, but it has an issue. You see that? Yeah, I got it caught in my pocket and on I think the door frame, and it pulled it out. So I'm going to take this apart, see if I can pinch it back down and make a functional pocket clip again. So got my little T6 driver here. Let's cap back on. Pretty sure it's T6, and it is. Yes, this is the Kizer Urban Bowie. And we did a two-part video on this knife. The Lakota Mod, part 1 and part 2. Kind of did a brief history lesson on the Lakota tribe while we made this knife. There was just something that spoke to me in this knife to do the mod the way that we did. These are micarta handles, but it has a very wooden texture to it now with that dark brown-black combination that we did on this side and the yellow that we did on this side. Looks very worn, very earthy now. And the killer, absolute killer, see it? Brass wash that we done on this blade. It's been over a year now, and it is still holding solid. Anyway, that's for another time. Tonight, like I said, we're going to try and fix this pocket clip. I've got a vise I'm trying to clamp it down in, because I don't think, well, we may have a different issue here, folks. That looks broken. Absolutely broken. You see that right there? It's cracked. Well, You need a pocket clip. Okay, I went clip hunting and I found absolutely nothing. So, what I'm going to have to do now is reach out to Lynch. Lynch, buddy, can you hook me up? I am in desperate need of a product here. Something for my Kizer Urban Bowie, the Lakota Mod. I'm devastated. This is not where this video was supposed to be going today.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, so we're going to start out by going to Lynch NW or Lynch Northwest. Here's their main website. If you haven't been to this website before, it's actually a really cool website. They have a lot of good gear, clips, pry bars. I don't know if pry bars is what they're most famous for, but they do sell a lot of the pry bars. Anyway, so we're going to go right here to clips. You can search for clips, or you can filter for clips. You're just going to scroll down here, and we're going to look for Kizer, which they don't have. Okay. Well, I guess we'll have to go with plan B. Let's go to Kizer's actual page here. Alright. Yeah, its website's a little fickle sometimes. Clips. Alright, accept that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, hey, looky here. Oh, they've got a lot more options than they used to have. There used to be like 2 options. Need to make sure it's the right size and make sure that we get a stone washed finish. That one. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's look at this one. Well, that picture's huge. Okay. Sandblasted. Color. Yep, that's it. All right, well, thank goodness for Kizer coming through with this new clip. Now, I will say, full disclosure, I opened it up, and getting these screws in there, that kind of sucks. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do. Because I did try to film a bit where I was like, oh, here it is, let's get him in here, and then like 3 minutes in, and I'm like, why won't these get in? And so I finally just had to stop, and now we're starting from here. So screws are in. But before I put those in, I just wanted to show you. So that's our brass wash, our stone wash, brass wash, and this is a stone washed clip. I think that has turned out pretty good. I mean, color wise, I didn't do anything to this. That's the way it came. So I'm pretty happy about that. So all right, let's see. It's been a minute. Yeah, so goes on the gold side, daffodil side as it be. There we go. Oh, don't fall out of there now. Now these literally just sit on and screw in place. Oh, don't pop back out of there. You were a pain. There we go. Still just a T6. Perfect. Exact same clip that it came with, only new, and it came stone washed. But that's it. That's all I wanted to do. Originally I just wanted to pinch the clip back down, but actually buying a new one turned out even better. Someone mentioned in the comments, it was like, hey, your clip doesn't match. You should stone wash it more or something. And well, now I've bought one that came more stone washed. More stone washed? Not stone washed-er. That's not a word. More stone washed. Anyway. Alright, well, thanks for watching this minor mod. I'm going to have to do it on another one now because I have another clip that's broken, so that'll be fun. But let's cut to some B-roll of this knife in the snow. How's that sound? Anyway, I'm Wolfman Walsh. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you next time. Take care.